Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to log out of Wikipedia. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to log out of Wikipedia. Maybe because you have created another account, so you want to get logged out of this account. Or maybe you're having some issues like the app is getting stuck. Maybe you're having some bugs, so you just want to log out and log in again so the things get fixed. Or maybe you're just changing your mobile phone, so you just want to log out so that you could log in again on another device. Or there could be any other reason for you to log out of your Wikipedia account. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Wikipedia. If you not have installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app get installed, make sure you also have created your account on it and you also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, now just simply tap on the icon of the Wikipedia app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. Right now at the top, you will see the title of the page and different things. Every option here is different and there are other stuff available like you could read news, articles and the trending things on the internet. We have another page through which you can search for different places. This one is for the save things, and with the help of that you could get your history of the account, and here you could go for search. So from all these things you have to go to this first page, explore, and after that you just have to simply click on the settings icon which is on the top right side of the screen. This one, just simply tap on this icon and settings will open. First, you will read the title of settings and there you will see different option. Every option here is different from each other and has its own purpose that it performs in this app. So from all these options, you just have to simply click on the first option which is account. Just simply tap onto this option and your account settings will open. Once the settings will open, you just have to simply click on your username and then it will ask you that are you sure you really want to log out of your account. So here you don't have to worry about that what will happen to information and data of your app if you log out. If you log out, everything will be there. You once have to just enter your email address and password to log in again and then you will get everything back. So here you can see right now we don't have any option for account. We have option for login. That means we are logged out of our account, and if you again want to get back to your account, just simply click on login and get back to your account. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can log out of Wikipedia. If you do any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.